What's up, guys? So in today's video we're going to be going from this to this on the front end of the Cherokee here. So we're just going to be sanding down the grill and painting it. I used Rust-Oleum 2X satin finish to kind of match the factory setup, and then eventually we'll be doing the front bumper, but for now we're just doing the grill and just the other piece, and then also adding the export amber turn signals. So these are, I really like the way these look on the Cherokees and Comanches. In the US they were all that clear, so we're going to be adding the amber turns, which I think look extra nice. So anyway, guys, hopefully you guys enjoy the video, and that's what we're going to be doing today. I'm actually going to be painting this gray black. I did that on my other Cherokee and I really like the way it looks with the black on the black face gauges. So I originally was just going to paint this one. This one's out of this Comanche, and but the later models, they changed where the trip odometer is. So it's actually the old ones come out of the speedometer area. This one comes separately, so won't be doing it on this, but I will be pulling this one out, and then we'll also kind of clean up the plastic on here as well. So also, as you can see, I've been working a little bit on the stereo. So I just mocked up this old school guy. It sounds really good. I still got to do the speaker over there, but yeah. So we're getting there. We're getting closer. All right. So to take this off here, you have to just pull off the button here. There we go. So just pull that guy off, and then we can slide this guy right off, and we'll get this thing's all scratched to crap. So, and then we just pull the cluster face off, and then I'll show you guys how to take off these little guys there. Start brushing all this dust off. That works pretty good, actually. Trying to be as careful as I can. Oh yeah, we fixed my Cherokee's oil pressure issue. No problem. So I'll show you guys how to kind of get these going, get these off. So I'm just taking a little tweezers here, this edge up, just slowly try to pry up. You don't want to just rip it off because, you know, 30-year-old plastic here. Okay, so it's got the one side off, and then if you just kind of rotate it and just wiggle it back and forth and kind of up like so, it will slowly come off just like that. And there you go. I try to get the tweezers as close to that center pin as possible to relieve any stress. There we go, just like that. Pretty simple. Let's come over to the paint booth. So I'm going to clean these off first. That kind of dry out a little bit, and then we'll use just some Rust-Oleum flat black once that's all dry. I don't know if you guys can see on here, probably at the sun, probably not great, but all scratched and rolled. We'll do a little bit of restoration on this as well. Some glass cleaner on there. Much better. All right, we are all set with polishing the glass. Looks brand new. All right, so this guy is all dry, nice and black. Just gonna flip her around and stick these guys back on. Very nice. Look at that. Good as new. Very nice. Look at that. That looks great. Turn these by hand. Okay, right here. Perfect. Much better. I like that a lot better. Cool. All right, check that off the list. All right, so another thing, I'm going to be taking these ambers and putting them on. Go ahead and pull these off. Should be pretty simple. Give me the screw. Very good. Nice. Sweet. Nice. Yeah. That'll look good. Look to see what it'll look like when it's in there. Yeah. My other camera's battery died, so we're on the ZR now. Fantastic. Alrighty, she's back to stock again. Still looks good, I think. But I do like the way those ambers look. Just like that. Very nice. All right, so we'll let this dry, and once it's dry, then we'll throw her in the Jeep, see how she looks. This has had plenty of time to dry. Looks pretty good. Wow, that's gonna look great. All right. I also painted the screws, just the tops of them black, so it all matches and looks nice. Very nice. These look very good. Very nice. Okay. Painted these black too. I think that'll give it a nice contrast. Yeah, I like that. Okay. Yeah, I actually like the black instead of the chrome. Wow. It's looking nice. All right. Man, that looks great. Sweet. Yeah, it's gonna look nice once I got all the, the bumper is gonna be the same color, the plastic flares, all of that, but that looks so much better. She's coming along. I love those amber turn signals though. Those look sweet. Alrighty guys, that's going to do it for the video. The paint I used is the Rust-Oleum, just 2X satin, and turned out really nice. Obviously it looks a little weird because, the factory bumper is still got basically no paint left and it looks more gray, but once all this is all the same color, it's going to look a little bit better. So anyway, that is going to do it for the video. If you guys enjoyed it, please give the video a thumbs up. That helps me out a bunch, guys, and we'll catch you guys in the next video.